In $13.99, I got the lowest configuration Redmi Note 15 Pro again. Many friends also want to see the performance of this phone and how it performs in games. Okay, no problem. I've got it covered for you again.
Let's first take a look at the appearance and configuration.
Regarding the specifications, a 6.83-inch flat screen, resolution 2772 by 1280, refresh rate 120 Hz, plastic frame, removable back cover on a flat surface. Hey, it stands up easily.
Some friends asked why I always make it stand up. I'm just showing you that it's flat.
The performance is equipped with the Dimensity 7004 Ultra processor with 8 plus 256, a 7000 mAh battery, 45 watt charging, and system version 2.0.202.
In performance mode, I also ran a benchmark, scoring 68 out of 100, surpassing 24% of users.
In terms of gaming, for PUBG, HDR High Definition Smooth Extreme, just like its big brother, both have Smooth Extreme graphics. Actually, we don't play PUBG anymore. Today, let's play this game, King of Glory. The frame rate is high, 60 frames per second. Okay, the recommended resolution is ultra high, and the overall image quality is recommended to be extreme, so let's set it to extreme.
Remember to turn on the turbo mode when playing games. Okay, let's jump straight into the game. Let's do a 10 versus 10 match. It's been a while since I played. The battery is at 100%. Let's start. I'll move the joystick a bit.
Hiss. It's okay. It's playable. This match is probably against computer opponents. Simply put, when there are many people, this small frame rate is also fine. 60 frames, it's okay. The fool you are. Then you see so many people, no problem. This frame rate, a steady 60 frames per second.
Okay, let's fluctuate a bit. Just fluctuated a bit earlier and it reached 55 frames.
Okay, let's finish the battle directly, guys. We won't play much, just for 7 minutes. The battery is still at 100%, hasn't moved from 26.3%. Playing this game, the phone's highest temperature is 43.5 degrees. The average frame rate is 59.8, no problem. It's a straight line. As I mentioned earlier, I noticed a slight frame drop when there were many people.
Let me show you if watching videos lags or not.
Stop filming.
Let's check the comments. It's okay. A little lag, no rush, because we just got in. Swipe a couple of times, swipe, 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 swipe.
Sure, you see the video is on, no problem.
Overall, if my budget is limited and I don't play games and usually just send messages, watch videos, and need long battery life, this phone is suitable for elders to use for browsing and such. You can consider this phone